Hello, I'm Alan from CMark. I'd like to introduce you to our SDE 3500E diesel generator. This unit is rated at 2.8 kVA and can deliver 12.2 amps. As you can see, we have two 240 volt power outlets here, each rated at 15 amps. We have a 12 volt supply, an RCD circuit breaker for your protection, voltmeter, and the unit is key start, as well as supplied with remote start stop. These units will start and stop the unit from a range of about 50 meters. The generator comes with a comprehensive operating manual, a spare parts list for future servicing, a small toolkit, and in addition it can also be operated with a pull start. Diesel fuel tank is mounted on the top, a fuel gauge, and the battery is mounted at the rear. A very good little robust unit and very good for the tradesman.